Really quick video. Basically, I'm headed off to the dyno, running GT2871R, running the Emerald, and I gotta clean up the fuel map and tune this thing myself. All right, guys. So got a full tank of gas over here. Genesis Automotive dyno tuning. Getting ready to put the car on the dyno. See what it makes. All right, guys. So it's about that time again. I'm back on the dyno, and it's time for me to tune the car myself. So there's a couple of things I had to go ahead and adjust this tuning session, mainly working with boost, timing, and then also adjusting fueling to make sure that the car's got the proper air and fuel ratio. All right, so now we're getting things set up. Basically, there's a cable that needs to go over the ignition wire, and then also a ground that needs to be set up to the car so that the dyno can get the proper readout. At the rear of the car, there's also an external O2 sensor, and this O2 sensor is going to be connected up to the dyno. This O2 sensor is going to actually plot out the AFR reading with RPM reading for the dyno. This dyno session was actually pretty interesting. I kind of wanted to do this as a test to see what happens when you switch from a smaller to a larger turbo and don't change anything, and then what you have to actually change. So a lot with this project was basically a learning experience, and this was a really good one to show me what needs to be done to make the power.
Oh, third gear?
Vacuum
leak? What?
No, we're checking. We're going to
So you want to go fourth gear now, or keep doing third gear?
That was how it was, third gear?
Yeah.
What did we get?
236, 236.
236, 236?
Wait, hold on.
That was a cleaner pool.
Yeah, 236, 236, and it was very clean.
What?
But you're below 11.
Huh?
You're into the 11s now. Alright, Chris, grab this one.
loose out again.
Alright guys, so here's the two dyno graphs. I took the time to be conservative. Again, this was a learning experience, so I didn't want to damage anything, but now I know how to tune, so let's see what's in store.